Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin inside the MyGeo app. Sign in and navigate straight to call settings. Enable Geo Call Shield, then turn on caller ID and spam protection so the system can analyze incoming numbers. This is the first actionable step because it allows network-level filtering to run immediately. Once done, make sure location and permission prompts are allowed so the app can match numbers against the spam database. You're setting the foundation that lets later steps reliably block or flag nuisance calls. Next, configure how aggressively you want calls filtered by choosing strict, moderate, or low auto-block levels. This controls false positives versus protection. Add persistent nuisance numbers to your personal block list so they're blocked immediately. Also enable community reports so you benefit from crowdsourced spam identifications. This improves accuracy over time. Make sure to review the recent calls list periodically to move any missed numbers to your block list. Doing so trains the system and reduces repeat interruptions. To finish, test the setup using a secondary number so you verify blocks are working. This confirms your chosen level is effective. Regularly review the blocked calls log and whitelist any trusted senders accidentally flagged. If spam calls persist, make sure the MyGeo app is updated and permissions remain enabled. Then contact Geo support with the offending numbers and timestamps so they can investigate. One troubleshooting tip: reboot your phone after changing settings to ensure system-level call routing honors the new rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.